The right lubricant is crucial in demanding industries. Our product XYC 202 Universal Perfluoropolyether Lubricating Oil delivers when others fail because it's designed for extreme heat, harsh chemicals, and consistent performance. YIBUZZ-PFPE 202 Lubricating Oil. It handles temperatures ranging from -70 degrees Celsius to 288 degrees Celsius, with peaks reaching up to 344 degrees Celsius. Since it resists fuming nitric acid and chlorine, it's safe and reliable. Moreover, it's non-flammable and has low volatility, making it perfect for aerospace and vacuum uses. Use it across the chemical, aerospace, and semiconductor sectors. It's stable up to 288 degrees Celsius and 554 degrees Celsius in oxygen, resists chemical breakdown, and it works with metals and plastics. Because it's non-toxic and NSF-H1 certified, it's safe, and it even resists radiation. Chemically, it's great for valve seals, aerospace parts, and vacuum pumps. Additionally, it suits furnace chains and automotive parts. In conclusion, XYC 202 boosts machine performance in challenging environments. Upgrade and contact us at YIBUZZ.com to learn how it benefits you.